Choosing between Figma auto layout or traditional layout depends on the specific need of your project or your personal preferences. For traditional layout, it involves a lot of manual adjustment and resizing, and this will take you time in your design process, but in some cases it is really handy. On the other hand, with Figma Auto Layout, you can create a responsive design much easier and faster, but Auto Layout is based on preset rules that can constrain you when it comes to manual adjustment. Where to use traditional layouts and where to use auto layouts. We can use traditional layouts in print design, illustration and logos, unique layouts, fixed width layout. In this situation, traditional layout can provide more control and precision over our design. Now, where to use auto layout? Auto layout is ideal for mobile design app, web design, component-based design, data-driven design. In this situation, auto layout can save time and increase efficiency. All right, that was everything about today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.